Hello, and we are back again, and this time is for ogbono. Yes, this is ogbono bush mango, so we're making ogbono here. And here is my ingredients for this ogbono soup. It's gonna be very quick. I'll be using goat meat. Here is the ogbono bush mango. Here I have my cow tripe properly cleaned. I have my bomo cow skin. Here is my dried fish properly deboned. Here is my mackerel. This mackerel, we just finished grilling it. Watch the other video how I did it. It's very simple. You're gonna like it, and you would like making yours like that. And here is my blended crayfish. Here I have blended onion and chili together, and I'll be using palm oil. Here is my salt, and here we got Knorr cubes and ChickenFlavor. So let's cook this together, folks. Please, as usual, thank you for the subscription. So goat meat first, cow tripe, cow skin, Maggi cubes, ChickenFlavor, salt, blended onion and chili. I like to add water at this point also because I want to form the soup base. And mix this up. Cover the pot. Allow this to cook. Let's heat up some of our palm oil. So here is our oil. I'll gradually mix the ogbono into it. Okay. Now let's get back to our meat. Our meat has been cooking. Now I'll take out some stock. Add in our dried fish, crayfish, stir this together. I'll add more water. Cover. So back to our ogbono. Here's our stock. Add in our remaining crayfish, and then bring in our ogbono. Cover. Allow this to cook. Add more water. Oh my god, this is funny, man. I had to stop cooking the ogbono because the ogbono got this soapy smell, so I have to stop. And guess what? You have to use whatever ingredient within your reach to create that dish. So we'll have to migrate to Egusi. Here I'll add my stock and mix it. Now let's get back to our pots. Add the palm oil. Our palm oil is hot, so goes in our onion. As our oil is getting hot, egusi. Just keep making sure it doesn't burn while you allow it to cook fry. I'll add a little bit of stock underneath to enable it to cook along. Please give me a like button. Now add in my mackerel. Back to our stock. Now bring in our egusi. cover. Then we'll still be using dried bitter leaf. Our egusi soup is ready, as you can see.